All of you, good morning and welcome back to DevOps and Cloud channel. Guys, in today's session, we are seeing the Jenkins configuration by using shell script and plus Nexus configuration in by normal steps. I didn't configure and I didn't prepare that shell script for Nexus. In next upcoming classes, we will see Nexus configuration by shell script also. But in today's session, we are seeing Jenkins configuration by using shell script. Mostly 70 to 90% we are configuring shell script. Then we are adding key. Then we are choosing the plugins. Then we are going to using username password manual. The next part, Nexus configuration step by step on Linux server. Today the total concept is so how we can configure Jenkins by using shell script and how we can configure Nexus and how we can integrate Nexus to Jenkins by building artifact and deploying to the Nexus repository. This is the task today session, guys. Guys, already I have taken two servers. So guys, 179 is Jenkins server. I didn't install anything. Just I'm showing that. See guys, Java is mandatory. And Tomcat is mandatory. And Jenkins var file is mandatory. Without Java, we can't install and configure Tomcat, and we can't install Jenkins also. So here only you can understand. So I didn't configure any other tools, Tomcat and other tools. Okay, guys. Thank you. So now let me start step by step. Guys, already I have prepared one shell script. I think already we saw that one previous class, how to configure Tomcat by using shell script. In previous session, we saw that how to configure Tomcat. Yes, that one also here. That is, see guys, just 14 minutes class video is there. But today we are extending the same shell script. We are extending with adding some more tools. I mean, there's some more steps. Those are one, downloading Jenkins.war file and deploy into the Jenkins.war file into Tomcat web apps folder. The same shell script we are adding. So finally, we are seeing that whatever we have installed, Git and Java and Maven. I think in previous session, I mean by previous class, we didn't configure Maven also. In today's session, in this shell script, we are configuring Maven also. So where we have installed Maven, see guys, we are downloading Tomcat and we are downloading Maven and extracting Maven and extracting Tomcat. Just then we are renaming with Maven. And here we are adding paths also. We are exporting path also. See guys, M2 home and executable path. Both we are exporting into bash RC file. I mean that we are configuring Java path, Git path we are configuring, and we are configuring Maven. Both we have added in previous class. In today's session, we are adding Maven path. Okay, guys. So this is the shell script. Just let me take this, copy this one, and move to your Jenkins server. Guys, here I didn't name it because let me name here only. Yes, I'm naming that Jenkins server. Yes, now we are setting here only the host name. Just take this, copy this one, and move to Jenkins console. So I mean that Jenkins terminal. Now be in the opt/opt vi Jenkins setup dot sh just and paste here escape shift colon wq. Yes guys, now give the executable permis chmod u plus x. Okay guys, now we have given, now we are executing this. See guys, this script will finish up to 70 to 80% or 90%, or else 60% by installing all required packages and setting paths. The remaining 40% we need to be installed plugins, then we need to be create users, and then we can log in into the Jenkins dashboard. Guys, we will do one by one. In previous shell script, we have installed, we have configured a host name, and we have installed Java, and we have downloaded Tomcat and extracted and renamed and configured Tomcat, and we have exported Java path. And after that, we have started Tomcat service automatically by using shell script steps, and we enabled port numbers permanently 8080 port number. Then we have enabled Tomcat service, and we have started and we saw that Tomcat service, and we have added username password also by using Tomcat login username admin and admin. In today's session, just we are extending Jenkins. Just wait guys, we will go through that one by one guys. Yes, 404, 443. Maybe guys, see guys, this is the problem here. See, this is the existing template. This is the existing template. So where we start here? Yes, we are trying to download this one. Maybe this is the problem here. Maybe this is the problem. This version is the problem here. Let me check with that version. We need to be download latest one. Yes. Tomcat download. Yes. Click on this. Apache Tomcat 9 downloads. See guys, here 9.0.96 is there, but here 9.5. That is a problem. That is the problem here. Okay. Yes. Take this one and once again move to Linux server. Yes. Just I have deleted all lines and I'm placing new lines. Yes. Again, just the same script. Already we have given permissions, need not to give. Yes, rm space -rf Tomcat. So we have removed this one, and cat slash etc pass wd. So there is a tomcat user also. We need to be deleted because we will get problem here. Yes, user del tomcat. Yes, guys. Successfully we have deleted. See, guys. Now just run that once again. That's script. Okay. Okay. So there is a problem. One more step here. We have changed that, but we didn't change here. That's the problem. Let me change that. The same shell script. Just yes, guys. And again, and again, yes, rm space hyphen rf tomcat, and again cat slash etc pass wd. Yes, see, once again it's created. Automatically it will create. See, guys, this is the system user, not a normal user. Below 1000, it's a system user. Now user del tomcat we have deleted. And so yes, same shell script. Yes, run it once again. Oh, yes, deleted. Spelling mistake, guys. Yes, now start the tomcat. This shell script. So now see, guys, Maven downloaded, Tomcat also downloaded, firewalls configured, Tomcat service started, and Maven also extracted and exported that name. If you want to see that, okay, just wait, we will see. Now Jenkins.war file is downloading. So guys, okay, this is also up to date. The Jenkins.war version also, maybe in future. See, guys, mvn command not found. Maybe the source command didn't apply. That is the problem. Source command not applied. See, guys, so I'm discussing about this one Jenkins.war file. So for today, it's okay. This is the version of Jenkins.war file. Maybe in future, if you are using this shell script, you need to be change this one, because at present I'm using this one. Up to date, we are having latest version of Jenkins, but in future, you need to be modified this one, because in the Jenkins remote server, in their location, maybe they are having with another version. Okay, so that reason you have to modify this one. Now coming to here, this is the problem. This file is not working. Let me check it once again. Yes, sorry. Yes, I am applying that manually. Source tilde slash dot dash rc. Yes, now okay. mvn space. See, guys, here we saw that mvn command not found, but we have applied manually the source command. Now we are seeing that mvn space hyphen version. Now it's working here. So in the shell script, is this command not working? The shell script, this command not working. Okay, of course it will work. We will modify that. Okay. Okay, guys, successfully we have configured, we have installed Git, Java, Maven, and Tomcat we have configured. And in the Tomcat, what we have modified, context.xml we have modified, and username password also we have added. And in the Tomcat, we have added auto start from the boot level. Whenever you power on this server, next time, now you can shut down it, then you can restart. So automatically Tomcat will service start. So that step script we have added inside that shell script. That shell script will execute or will start the service from the boot level. Now system ctl status Tomcat. See guys, Tomcat service up and running. Okay, so it's working on that. Execute start /opt Tomcat bin startup, automatically it will execute. Okay, so we have added those steps. We have added those steps in this shell script. This is the one major advantage. Actually, for starting the Tomcat service, automatically we have prepared this shell script. This shell script we have prepared for starting Tomcat service from the boot level whenever we restart the service. Okay, guys. See, this is the script. We have prepared this one. We are creating system daemon service file. See guys, automatically it will start. So it will shut down. If you want to shut down, yes, you can shut down. Okay, we can start it. We can restart it. So this is the first priority goes to this shell script, guys. The remaining we have add-ons. We have added some other steps for installing Jenkins, okay, and Git, Maven. Okay. Okay, fine, guys. Now take this IP address. So everything is okay. You need not to add firewalls and all. Already we have added. Yes, paste here. Yes, :8080. Click on that manager app. Yes, the username already admin. We saved these passwords in the Google this browser. So that reason automatically it's a popping up. Okay, guys. Yes, click on that sign in. See, guys. Just wait. See guys, now Jenkins is ready to install plugins. Yes, click on this one. And guys, we have modified this Jenkins path. So what is the default path Jenkins? When we are going to configuring on Tomcat, the Tomcat Jenkins path is /root.jenkins. But we have changed this Jenkins path. So where we have placed this one? In the Tomcat only. That one we have added in the shell script. That one we have added in the shell script. Automatically, the service goes to /opt tomcat.jenkins. Okay, automatically the service, I mean that Jenkins home path goes to /opt tomcat. Now take this one. Yes. Now it's common from here. It's common. Just take this key. Now move to Jenkins and place here, and you can start installing plugins. Yes. Guys, once again, I'm giving this shell script. Copy this one and paste in your local server. Guys, I have given you this shell script. Please take that. Guys, I'm pausing this video for until this last plugin installation. Yes, guys. So almost we have installed all plugins. Now it's in under verification. The next step we will get for creating user. Just wait, guys. Just wait. Yes, now. Yes, guys. Our Jenkins server is ready. See, guys. Jenkins server is ready to use. Okay. So this is one step. Okay, guys. Successfully we have configured Jenkins by using shell script and by installing plugins and creating users and logging into the dashboard. Successfully we logged in Jenkins. One part is over. One part is over. The next part, we need to be configured Nexus server. Nexus server. So now let me show you here, guys. So already we are having see, guys. So guys, for Jenkins configuration, we have used Java 17, but keep in mind here you need to use Java 11. Java 11. Okay, in upcoming days, so maybe Java 7, Java 11 also not compatible for Nexus. Java 17 we need to be used. So already we are getting that announcements, notifications from the Nexus developers, but we can configure, at present we can configure Nexus by using Java 11 also. But whenever you are going to configuring Jenkins, you should use Java 17. Otherwise you can't configure Jenkins. It won't start the Jenkins service. Okay, guys, 100% will get issue. Okay. Okay, guys. Now we are going to configuring Nexus. Guys, these are the normal steps. We are not integrated into shell script. So same steps we are adding into shell script file. 100% without missing every step, without missing any step, single step, we need to be added in the shell script. But some cases we are using starting service and executing some commands, we need to be modified this one. Where we need to be modified, for example, yes, we need to be modified this one. Yes, in this place, so we are using one shell script file to modify that file. Shell script command we are using that. The shell script command also regular Linux command. Every command is the regular command, terminal command. But the command we are writing in the file format, then we are going to executing. Instead of applying step by step this command. So automatically, once we start the shell script, it will start step by step, whatever we are using. Okay. Now manually, I'm going to executing this one. Guys, be careful. Without updating this server, don't configure, don't go for configuring this Nexus. This is very, very important. See, guys, of course, already I have updated. There are no any updates. Just but formula I'm checking that. See, guys, there are no any updates. But don't forget this one. It's very important. Okay. Now, so we are going to installing duplicate, make unzip, vim. Yes, copy this one. And before that, let me set that host name. Yes, host name CTL, set hyphen host name Nexus. Nexus. Yes. And exec bash. Yes, take this one and paste here. And you can apply that host name. Okay, guys. Server is Nexus. Now, yes. Now we are going to installing tar make unzip wget VIM package. Then we are entering it to the OPT. Then we are listing that files. Then we are going to installing Java 7, Java 11, and we are seeing that Java version. Then we are going to downloading Nexus, this version, and we are extracting and we are renaming. Yes, copy this and paste here. One by one. One by one, it will take that. Now it's a downloading. Sorry, it's installing wget vim tar make. Just wait, guys. Now it's downloading Nexus software. Now this step is working. Then it will extract and it will rename. Yes, extracting and renamed. Now just apply that LL. See, guys, it's renamed. Now cat slash etc passwd. See guys, here at present we don't have that Nexus user. At present we don't have Nexus user. Now we are going to creating user. See guys, copy this one and paste it. Then you can apply the same command once again. See guys, Nexus. Before that we don't have that. See, after adding we have applied the same command. So now we are seeing that Nexus user. Now, so what we are doing, we are giving the permission to this Nexus user. We are giving permission to this Nexus user to access this directory and this directory. Now who is the owner here? Now the root is the owner. Now the root is owner here to access this directory. Now we are changing this permission. At present root is the owner. Now we are giving that ownership to Nexus to access this directory. So how we can yes, chown -r Nexus /opt Nexus. See guys, we have given that ownership, the same command here. Okay, but we need to give that group also. This is the user and this is the group. We need to give group also. The same command :Nexus. See. Now you can see LL. Now user is owner and group also owner to access this Nexus. Now see, still root is the owner to access this owner type work. Now what we are doing, same once again the same command chown -r, for example Nexus /opt Sona type work. See, now we have given permission to user only, but we didn't give group. See, still group is the owner to access this one. So it's a difficulty. So now we need to give access permission to group also. The same command, just come here, :Nexus. Yes. Now you can see, now both user and group both are same. User and group both are same to access this work. We have given permission. Now this one is over. This two is over. Now we are going to modifying this file. Take this file, copy this one. Yes, be careful here. Now be in the insert mode. Just remove that uncomment and come to the end of the line. Already double quotes are there. Come to the within the double quotes. Just apply that Nexus. Run as user Nexus. Run as user Nexus user. Yes, save this one. That's it. Now we are going to creating one symlink. Don't change this one. No need this one at present. Now we are creating one symbolic link, soft link to run this Nexus service. Yes, copy this one. So I'm not taking that sudo because I'm in root user. Okay. If you are in root user, no need to take that. If you don't have that root privileges, you can take that sudo command. Otherwise, it won't work. Now, this chconfig is a command to run the services on run levels. Okay. Now we are adding this Nexus to run levels. If you want to add these run levels, yes, we should have this package chconfig command. So at present, we don't have this one. So that reason we are going to installing this chconfig package. Copy this one Yes, it's a small size package. Be ready with the next step. Yes, it's installed. Now we are adding this Nexus. Copy this one and paste here. And we are adding service to run service and run level 3, run level 4, and run level 5. At present, we are not using run level 4. So you can remove this one. Or else you can continue with run level 4 also. No problem. But in my case, I have removed this one. Yes, copy this one and paste here. Okay. Yes. Now the Nexus service will run on run level 3 and run level 5. Okay. Yes. What is the command to know run level? Present run level. Okay, guys. At present, we are in run level 3. At present, we are in run level 3. Now it works on run level 3. So if you have that genome packages, server with GUI package, yes, you can run that service on run level 5 also. Okay. Now fine. We are starting the service. Now you can see this service. Is it working or not? Just wait. See. It's not running. Now what we are doing? We are starting this service. Yes. Service Nexus start. Just wait. And status. See, now the Nexus service is running. Before that, it's not running. Now we have started. Now it's running. Now we are enabling port number to access this one. Nexus port number is 8081. Nexus port number is 8081. Yes, copy these two. Already you are familiar with this firewall, port number 8080 and reloading firewall. But today we are using 8081. The Nexus works on, this Nexus software works on port number 8081. The protocol is HTTP. Yes, guys. Successfully we have configured, but there are 2 more steps to enter into the Nexus server. Okay. Yes, it's a browser-based application. It's a browser-based application. Now take this IP space EA. Yes, take this command and apply in the terminal. Take the IP address. Yes. Now move to browser. Yes, paste here. Remove that /24. Now 8081. Guys, it will take some time. Don't worry. Don't worry. Be patient. 100% it will work. There is no any kind of mistake. I didn't do any mistake. 100% it will work. But you have to wait for some time for loading this space. In your case also. In your case also. But if you are using high-end configuration, high-speed hardware configurations, maybe it will take within 1 minute or within 2 minutes it will work. It depends on that hardware configuration. But you have to wait. You have to wait some time. Just automatically itself it will reload. Just wait. So nothing to worry. Nexus service is running, but it will take some time. If it is not running, see guys. If you have any doubt, you can check here. If Nexus service is not running, 100% it won't work. So if it is running, maybe it will take some more time, but we have to wait for that time. See, so it's a problem. Nexus repository no longer support OrientDB Java 8 or Java 11 also in future releases. But at present it will work, nothing to worry. Okay, but I'm using Nexus 3.7.0, but it's available this version. It will give us notifications, but no problem. We can work. See here, they are announcing. Okay, the announcement. See. Okay, so we need to be upgraded with PostgreSQL. Okay, those using this PostgreSQL, yes, we have to use version 4.14, PostgreSQL 14 for installing this Nexus. So we have to use PostgreSQL. Of course, no problem. We will update. Okay. At present, no problem. Yes, you can. Now, guys, we are logging into the Nexus. Yes. Now, the default username is admin. And this is the command to get the temporary password. How we are getting that temporary password for Jenkins to enter into the location to install plugins. Same like that here also. Here also we are having that username admin. Default username is admin, and password. Yes, they are giving password location. Take this one, copy this one, and come here. Just apply that cat space and paste here. See guys, this is the password. Take this password and paste it. This is the temporary password. The same command already have given here. Okay. Yes, now click on that sign in. Just no need this. Click on that. No thanks. Now click on that. This wizard help you complete required setups. Just click on that next. Yes, now you can set new password. Yes, I am choosing this password. Yes, confirm the password. Now click on next. Guys, if you want to give this server for anonymous users, you can enable this one. If you don't want to give this access to anonymous users, just click on that disable anonymous access. Click on that next. Finish. Okay. See guys, successfully we have configured Nexus, guys. Two parts over. The next part one is installing and configuring Jenkins. Part 2, installing and logging into the Nexus. Part 3, creating repositories based on pom.xml defined repositories. So already source code is here. Yes, come here. So this is my source code repository. Yes, if you want to take this URL, yes, you can take this one. Yes, now click on these repositories. Now you can find here, for example, project registration form. Just click on this one. Now you can find here pom.xml file. You can't modify in my location. You have to take to your repository. I mean that your GitHub account. You can fork it, guys. You can fork this one. You will get it. Then you can modify that. Okay. Yes. Now click on that pom.xml. Now you can find that repository deployment, distribution management in line number 23, and in line number 27. Yes, you need to find that you need to be modified this IP address. In my case, let me see, guys, 255. The same IP address, I have that. Same IP address, I have that. See guys, I don't want to modify this one because the same IP address in the pom.xml URL also. But here these two repositories are not available in the Nexus. Now we need to create repositories with this one. With this one. Yes, copy this one. Select and copy. Now move to your Nexus server and click on that configuration. Then you can find that repositories. Then you can find that create repository and click on that. And here you need to find that Maven to hosted and select this one and click on this one. And just paste here whatever you have taken from the pom.xml file. Just the policy is release, because here we are taking that release and you have to take, you need to choose release, and policy layout is permissive. Just click on that and select permissive. Yes, content disappoint. Okay, disposition. Yes, click on that. Attachment. Next, bill of storage default and deployment policy allow redeploy. That's it. Save this one. Yes, see here, one repository. Now once again click on that new repository and once again click on that Maven to hosted and repository name. Come here pom.xml and snapshot release. It's a release and a snapshot release. Now take this snapshot release repository name, copy this one and move to Nexus and paste here. And release policy is snapshot, change that, and layout policy, just once again permissive. Yes, inline attachment. Next, deployment policy, just bill of storage default. Next, click on that deployment policy, select this allow redeploy. Allow redeploy. Yes, that's it guys. Save this one. Yes, part 3 over. Next, part 4. Next, now come to your Jenkins server. Yes, there is a Maven LL cd/opt be inside that opt, and already Maven is there. Yes, cd/opt Maven conf. Enter into that. Then you can find here one setting.xml file. Yes, VAM. If you're having that idea where you kept that settings.xml Maven, yes, you can go through that directly. You need not to come here. So in my case, I already have that experience working with this Maven. Yes, I'm applying that VAM/opt tomcat. Maven conf settings.xml. Just select this one and be careful here. It's very important. You can find that servers tag. See guys, this is the server tag, super tag. In the server tag, one more subtag is the server. Yes, copy line 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These 5 lines, copy these 5 lines and select it, automatically it will copy. Now come here. See guys, it's a comment line ended. This comment line ended. Just now be in the insert mode. Come to the end of the line, that comment line, and hit the enter. Yes, now, yes, we have selected and copied. Just paste here. Click mouse right button. See guys, now these lines are in active state. Now you need to check with pom.xml once again. It's very important. In the pom.xml, what is the repository name? Repository ID is deployment. It's the very, very important. Whatever we have mentioned in the pom.xml, same one we have to add in the settings.xml. See, already deployment is there, but a deployment repo is there. Just remove that repo and continue with the deployment. And the next, so by which user you have logged in into Nexus? The login username. Nexus login username is admin and password. So which password we have given to configure username to login into the Nexus? Yes, in my case, see guys, this is my password. Copy this one. Don't forget, these are very important. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now that's it. Save and exit here from here. Yes, guys. Successfully, we have modified that. Now you can check here. The repository is also Nexus repository. Yes. Click on this. Browse. Okay. Click on this browse server contents. Now click on this browse. Now you can find here. These are empty. See, guys. And once again, click on here and click on the snapshot. See, both are empty. Both are empty. Now in Jenkins server, we are going to configuring job to execute job and to build var artifact and deploying into the Nexus. Now be in the Jenkins dashboard, click on that new item. Next, here in my case, just I'm writing that var build project 1 and deploy into Nexus. Click on that free shell project. Now click on that OK button. The same task we can write by using pipeline also. In the next sessions, we will see that how we can deploy artifact into Nexus by using pipeline instead of free shell project. Now come here, be in the same repository. Don't choose another one. You should choose this one only. Yes, click on that repository and come here, click on that code and select that HTTPS. Yes, copy this URL. Now move to Jenkins and click on the source code management. Yes, click on that URL type. I'm in that repository, SCM repository type. I'm choosing that Git and paste that URL, GitHub repository URL. And credentials no need because we are using public repository. And where you kept this code, is it in main branch or any other branch? See guys, at present I'm in main branch. Yes, now come here. Yes, change the branch name main and just okay. Now click on that build steps. Now you can find here, click on that add build step. Now find that invoke top level Maven targets. Of course, we will get one issue because we didn't add tools after configuring Jenkins. See guys, there are no tools. Here we can write goal, but this goal executing by which tool? Either Maven or Gradle or Ant. Here we need to specify that. Now save here. This is another step. Just click on that dashboard. Now click on that manage Jenkins. Just click on that tools. Meanwhile, come to the terminal. Yes, echo $path to get the all configured paths inside this mission. See guys, now take this. First, take this one /usr_lib jvm java. Just only home path. Don't take bin. If you take bin, it's calling as a executable path. Now come here. Yes, click on that add JDK. Yes, in the home place, Java home place, paste here, and you can label whatever you want. Java -17 in my case. Next, Git. Come to Git location. Yes, we are using Git 2.43.3 something. Git -hyphen version. Yes, 43.5. Yes, now take this one. Just okay. Git 2.43. Next, where it's located? Where it's located? You can see here /usr bin git. Copy this one. Yes, paste here. Next, come down. Now you can find that Maven installation. Click on that Maven, add Maven. Yes, what is the Maven version? Yes, mvn space hyphen version. This is the command to know Maven version. So Maven version we are using 3.9.9. Yes, and move to Maven location. Yes, name that label and remove this one because already we have installed. Now, where we kept this Maven? Yes, we kept in /opt Maven. It's asking home path. Don't take bin. Just copy this one and move to Jenkins. Yes, that's it. We have added tools. Now save this one. Now go back to Jenkins dashboard and already there is a job. Just click on the same job. Now click on that once again configure. Now you can move to build steps. Yes, see guys. Before that we saw only goals option, but now we are seeing that tools option also. Yes, click on this one. Now click on that Maven. Select this Maven. Now your goals are, that our goals. One goal is creating package. That to build var file. Yes, that goal is a package space. And another goal to deploy the artifact into Nexus. Same time, we are building package and deploying into Nexus. The another goal is deploy. Yes, be careful with these spellings. These are very important. Otherwise, build will fail. Yes, now save this one. Guys, here we didn't configure periodical build, polySM build, and we didn't configure what is that? Webhooks. You need to build manually. Just click on that. And we didn't configure email notification also. Okay, we will not get any kind of build notifications to mails, and we didn't configure schedule builds. Just we are building manually. Just click on that build now. If you want to see verbose mode, just click on this. Just click on here process in progress button. Directly you can enter into the console output. Guys, if it is first time, it will try to download all required plugins for executing based on form.xml, whatever we have mentioned tags inside that form.xml. It's a downloading from the central repository, the required plugins. This is the final step to execute job. The next step is just seeing the output. If it is success, okay, you need not to modify anything that. If we will get failed, maybe we need to check that. Maybe we need to check with the versions, compatibilities, and the pom.xml and GitHub source code URL and the paths we need to check it, and the repositories we need to check. Okay, there are number of steps, of course. So whatever we are seeing that present state, I hope that 100% it is correct. The first level up to package. We can see two kinds of outputs to build success. One is package build success and another one is deployment success. Final success, the entire job success. Now it's preparing for a snapshot. Yes, see guys. So what is this one? Var file build successfully. Var file build successfully. Okay, guys. Test cases. Now coming to deployment. Yes, now it's a packaging here, packaging web. See, now the step is deployment. Almost success, see guys. Deployment also success. The final and the complete overall job is success. Now you can come here directly into browser and Nexus. Just click on this browse. Now click on that snapshot. See guys. Okay, Maven project. Click on this one. Next, click on that snapshot too. Yes. Okay. This is the where. Next, just wait. Now click on this registration form. Yes, click on this one. Yes, click on this one. See guys, where file. Where file is ready. Successfully we deployed into Nexus server. And coming to server location, this one. It's a jar file. We are having both jar and where file. We are having both. See guys. Both we have deployed. It depends on that pom.xml. Depends on pom.xml. The pom.xml file having both var and jar files. Okay guys, successfully we have configured and deployed var into Nexus. Okay guys, so successfully we have configured Nexus server and deploy the artifact into Nexus server after building artifact in Jenkins. We have integrated this process. Okay guys, that's all in this session. Thank you.